finally, the latest official build of Pixel Experience with the February 2023 security update is now available, and I am excited to share my review of this ROM with you. One important note is that this is not the Pixel Experience Plus ROM, but rather the pure Pixel Experience ROM. This means that while you won't find extensive customizations or additional features, you can expect a smooth and stable experience that closely resembles the stock Android interface. Pixel Experience is known for its commitment to providing users with the purest form of the Android operating system, without the bloatware and unnecessary modifications that can slow down performance or cause glitches. While some users may prefer more customization options, others may appreciate the simplicity and reliability of the Pixel Experience ROM. So, let's dive in and take a closer look at what this ROM has to offer. About device. As you can see, this latest official Pixel Experience ROM is based on Android 13 and comes with the latest Android security update of February 5, 2023. If you take a look at its build number, it's from February 21, 2023, which means it's using the most up-to-date version of the Android operating system available. User experience. When it comes to user experience, the Pixel Experience ROM offers a clean and smooth experience. With minimal pre-installed apps, you get a clutter-free interface that's easy to navigate. As I navigate through the system, I can see that the ROM is quite responsive and I'm not experiencing any lags or slowdowns while swiping and scrolling on the screen. This may vary depending on the device you are using, but overall the performance is quite impressive. Additionally, you can see the app opening and closing speed. Tell me in the comment how's the app opening and closing speed. Google Photos storage. One of the great features of the Pixel Experience ROM is that it comes with unlimited Google Photos storage. This means that you can back up all your photos and videos without worrying about running out of storage space. Keep in mind that this feature is exclusive to Pixel devices, but you can enjoy it on any device that runs the Pixel Experience ROM. So if you are someone who takes a lot of photos and videos, this feature can be really beneficial for you. Play Protect certification. Play Protect certification is an important factor to consider when choosing a custom ROM. It ensures that the ROM has passed Google's security and compatibility requirements, which is critical for the safety and stability of your device. I am happy to report that this Pixel Experience ROM is Play Protect certified as indicated in the device settings. This means that the ROM has been thoroughly tested and meets the necessary standards to ensure a secure and stable Android experience for the users. Camera. Now let's talk about the camera on this Pixel Experience ROM. The ROM comes with the Aperture Camera app, which offers various features such as photos, videos and scan modes. However, it's worth noting that the ROM does not come with the Google Camera app pre-installed. It would have been great to see this app included, as it's known for producing excellent results, especially in low light conditions. Nevertheless, you can still manually install and use the Google Camera app if you prefer. Phone dialer. In terms of communication apps, the Pixel Experience ROM comes with the standard Google messaging app and phone dialer. It's important to note that the Google phone dialer does not have an auto call recording feature, and you will receive a call recording announcement when using it. However, it's now possible to remove this announcement, and I have created a separate video demonstrating how to do so. You can find the video link in the description section. So during my testing, I didn't face any issues while making phone calls on this ROM. This is in contrast to one of my subscribers who reported issues with the phone dialer on the Pixel Experience Plus ROM. It's possible that the pure Pixel Experience ROM provides a smoother calling experience compared to the Plus version. Launcher. Let's move on to the launcher. The Pixel Experience ROM comes with a Pixel launcher, which offers a clean and minimalistic design as well as easy to use functionality. One of the standout features of this launcher is the recent app section, where you can easily access split screen, freeform and pause app features. Split screen allows you to use two apps at the same time, while freeform mode lets you resize and move app windows around the screen. The pause app feature is handy if you want to temporarily stop an app without closing it completely. One of the handy features of the Pixel Experience ROM is the quick action feature available in the recent apps menu, allowing for easy content selection and screenshot capturing. However, users should be aware that this ROM does not include lens search and delete options after taking a screenshot. Instead, there is an edit and capture more feature. Home settings. The Pixel Experience ROM's home setting offers a range of features to help you customize and streamline your user experience. One of these features is the At a Glance feature, which appears on the home screen and provides useful information at a glance, such as upcoming calendar events and the weather forecast. Additionally, the suggestion option provides quick access to recently used and frequently used apps on both the home screen and app drawer. You can easily enable or disable the suggestion features for both areas, as well as block specific apps from appearing on the suggestion sections. Other than this, there is no such necessary features in its home screen setting. Wallpaper and styles. The Pixel Experience ROM's wallpaper and styles feature allows you to customize the look and feel of your device with some basic options. You can choose from the latest wallpaper colors and basic colors option to apply to your device's home screen and lock screen. Additionally, the dark theme feature provides a sleek and stylish look, perfect for those who prefer a darker interface. The themed icon feature allows you to change the appearance of your device icon, giving it a fresh new look. The app grid option allows you to customize the size of the app icons on your home screen, providing up to 5x5 sized grid option. Although the customization options are relatively limited compared to some other ROMs, the Pixel Experience ROM's wallpaper and styles features still provides enough options to allow for a personalized device experience. Quick tiles. The Pixel Experience ROM's quick tiles provide a convenient and easily accessible set of features that can be accessed with just a few taps. The quick setting panel features a brightness slider at the top but does not include an auto brightness toggle option by default. In addition to the brightness slider, the quick setting panel includes a range of necessary tiles such as nearby share, scan QR code, calculator, extra dim, and recorder. The calculator and recorder tiles are not typically available on many other custom ROMs, making them a welcome addition for users who rely on these features frequently. Overall, the Pixel Experience ROM's quick tiles offer a convenient and streamlined user experience. Settings. Now let's dive into the settings section of the Pixel Experience ROM and explore the range of options and features it provides for users to customize their device to their preferences. However, it's important to note that the Pixel Experience ROM may not provide as much customization as other ROMs, so don't expect the same level of customization you may find elsewhere. At the top of the settings section, you'll find the app info section. This section provides easy access to a range of options, including the ability to manage your Google accounts, access the about device section, manage emergency info, and access your payment and Google account settings. This makes it a convenient way for users to quickly access and manage their device setting and accounts without having to navigate through multiple menus. Network and internet. In the Pixel Experience ROM settings section, the first option you will come across is the network and internet section. This section provides access to various options including hotspot and tethering. An interesting feature of this ROM is that it allows users to enable both the hotspot and Wi-Fi at the same time and even share their Wi-Fi as a hotspot to other devices. Additionally, the network and internet section also includes option for private DNS and adaptive connectivity. It's worth noting that the private DNS does not come with any custom DNS, so users will need to set it up by themselves if they wish to use a custom DNS. In the battery settings section of Pixel Experience, you will find the following options. Battery usage. This option allows you to view a detailed breakdown of which apps and system services are consuming the most battery on your device. Battery saver. When enabled, this option can extend your device battery life by limiting background activity and some other features. Also inside battery saver, you will find extreme battery saver option. This is an advanced power saving mode that restricts your device to a limited set of apps and functions to maximize battery life. Turn on light when charging. This option enables the charging light on your device to turn on when you connect your device to a power source. Battery percentage. This option allows you to display the battery percentage on the status bar for easy reference. Display. From the display settings, you can enable the adaptive brightness feature, which adjusts the screen brightness based on the ambient lighting condition. The dark theme option is also available, which applies a dark color scheme to the system UI. However, there are no custom dark themes available. Additionally, you can find the night light and color features in this setting section. However, the Pixel Experience ROM does not have an option to enable the auto brightness toggle on the quick settings panel, which could be a downside for some users. Security. The Pixel Experience ROM provides users with multiple biometric authentication options, including both face and fingerprint unlocking to enhance security. Moreover, the phone is equipped with encryption technology, a crucial security feature that safeguards your data and protects it from unauthorized access. Privacy. Your personal data deserves to be protected, and that's why the Pixel Experience ROM has got your back. With a suite of privacy features at your fingertips, you can rest easy knowing your information is safe and secure. The privacy dashboard gives you an overview of which apps have accessed sensitive data like your connection, camera, and microphone. Meanwhile, the permission manager lets you control which apps have permission to use these features, including the ability to revoke permissions from unused apps. And to make it even easier to manage your privacy, the settings for camera and microphone access are conveniently located in the privacy section. With these powerful tools, you can enjoy the peace of mind that comes with knowing your personal information is under your control. App language. In this Pixel Experience, you will also get app language feature, which now supports many applications than before. And for example, I'll use this calculator app and change its language to check how it works, and after selecting the language, I'll open the calculator app, and as you can see, it has changed its language in calculator app as my preferred language. Gesture. Moving towards gesture-based features, the Pixel Experience ROM offers a variety of options to help you streamline your device use. With quick tap options, you can easily start action or access the camera. The system navigation and one-handed mode features can simplify your device use, while the press and hold power button feature can give you quick access to the assistant or power menu. You can also enable the prevent ringing feature to silence incoming calls. However, swipe to screenshot and advanced restart options are not available in the Pixel Experience ROM. If you are interested in those features, you can check out the Pixel Experience Plus version. System update. Another great feature of the Pixel Experience ROM is the system update feature. With this feature, you can stay up to date with the latest software updates and security patches. The Pixel Experience team is dedicated to delivering timely updates and improvements to ensure that your device is always performing at its best. With regular system updates, you can have peace of mind knowing that your device is secure and up to date. So that concludes our review of the latest Pixel Experience ROM based on the February 2023 security update. Although it does not offer as many customization options as other ROMs, it provides a smooth and stock Android experience. We'd love to hear about your experience with the Pixel Experience ROM in the comments below. And if you are looking for more customization options, the Pixel Experience Plus version offers additional features and options. Overall, the Pixel Experience ROM is a great choice for anyone seeking a fast, reliable, and secure ROM. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Craxoid. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!